In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process, it only takes 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now open up the passenger side door, open up the glove box, get all the stuff outside the glove box. One thing that we usually keep in the glove box is the wheel lock key, so make sure you keep it somewhere safe, you don't want to lose it. Now once you get all that stuff out of the way, we need to take off 1, 2, and the third clip over there. We need to take those 3 things off. So the suspender arm over there, just grab it and just pull it out. It comes right out. Once it's out, just sort of push it in. Alright, now let's get those clips out. In order to get it, you need to push the glove box in a little bit, twist it left, comes out. Same thing for the other one. Push the glove box in, twist it left, and out it comes. Now we can get the entire glove box out of the way. Once that is done, that black panel over there, that's the access panel for the cabin air filter. In order to get it out, squeeze it over there on the right side, take it out. On the left side, it's just sort of in place in that slot there, so twist it, out it comes. That's the cabin air filter. Just grab it and pull it out gently, and it should slide right out. Now let's look at the cabin air filter itself. The air comes from the top, gets filtered, and then it goes down. So as you can see, there's some foreign particles over here, but this filter looks pretty clean. Alright, everything looks good over here. As you notice, there's also an arrow on the filter itself that points the airflow direction. So unfiltered air comes from the top, gets filtered, and on the bottom, the filtered air goes in the vehicle. Now get the new filter and just slide it in that slot over there. Takes a few seconds, but it goes right in. Now once that's in, let's put the access panel back in. Let's put it in that slot over there first, and then the other side we can just clip it on like that. Alright, that's good. Now we can put the glove box back on. Look at that slot over there. One side has like a step pattern on it, similar to the clip. See what I mean? Yeah, so just align that properly, right? Align it, then we'll put the one clip in, push the glove box in, put the clip in, twist it right, locked. Alright, now let's do the same thing for the other side clip as well. Same thing, we are going to align the clip over there with the slot over there, put it in, twist it right, done. Now that suspension arm, just pull it out, align it there, and then it just goes on. So just push it on. Clip. Now let's try the glove box. Works well. See how easy that was?